Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress effectively. Your journey begins with selecting a dependable hosting service, ideally one providing uptime greater than 99.9%. Next, choose a clean, fast theme that is mobile-friendly and responsive across various devices. Finally, install foundational plugins, like those for security, search engine optimization, and performance enhancement, right from the start. Engaging content is crucial for keeping your visitors on the page longer. Use headings and subheadings to create a logical flow, making your text easy to scan and digest. Naturally integrate keywords throughout your writing, aiming for keyword density of 1 to 2% to help search engines understand your topic. Remember to enrich your articles with compelling visuals. High-resolution images or short video clips can significantly boost engagement. A fast and secure website is fundamental for user experience and trust. Employ a caching plugin to store static versions of your pages, potentially cutting load times by half for repeat visitors. Always compress your images. Tools can reduce file sizes by up to 70%, preventing your site from slowing down. Furthermore, fortify your site with a reliable security plugin, enabling its firewall and regular malware scans to ward off threats. Consistent maintenance is key to long-term WordPress success and stability. Always keep your core WordPress installation, themes, and plugins updated. This addresses security vulnerabilities and ensures compatibility. Implement a reliable backup strategy, perhaps backing up your entire site at least once a week, to safeguard your content. Regularly review your site's analytics. Understanding visitor behavior can inform your content strategy and drive continuous growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.